Fire, fire.
Hola chicos y chicas, soy LKB o Espoto Otolaro Taquira Boy y básicamente yo grabé para documentar mi vida. Hola chicos y chicas, my name is LKB or spelled the other way, Takara Boy, and welcome to the videos of LKB. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, click that like button, and leave a comment so we can stay interacting. I do videos about getting closer to God, travel, natural hair, and just life in general. So stay tuned to this upcoming video. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, y'all. Hey, y'all. How y'all doing? I know I haven't been on camera in a hot little minute. I am here with William. Today is Saturday, February 2nd. It's 8:17 p.m. Just in case I don't upload this video today. But actually, I'm just doing a African threading takedown. So I've had my threading for about 2 or 3 days. No, more like 3 days. It don't take me long to do. I had trimmed my hair before, and I had make sure my hair was really moisturized. I'm just taking out bobby pins because I did wear this out as a style. I just kind of wanted to come over here and just have like a little chit chatty video. It is February 2nd, like I said, and the only thing I have planned for next week is if you guys don't know, Valentine's Day is like right around the corner, so I'm gonna be very busy at Fannie Mae for the holiday. But Monday I have an interview for dishwasher position full time, and then that Tuesday I have an interview for a position like a travel job. So hoping I get the travel job one. I'm not really wanting to be tied down anymore, so I'm kind of wanting something to, you know, help me travel. So yeah, I took all the bobby pins out, and I'm gonna go ahead and take them down. As you can see, some of them did not last, so yeah. But nothing's really happening for the month of February. Like I said, I got those 2 interviews. I'm hoping to have a job by the end of February, another job by the end of February. William is going to get his visa the day after Valentine's Day, so we're hoping that he will get his visa, and he will be here in March. My sister's coming in March as well. So that'll be cool if they're both here. See, that's the first one taken down. And I don't make it really tight for my edges. I just make it so it stretches the hair out. So yeah, let's go ahead and take these out. I don't really have nothing to really say as far as like what's been going on with me. I literally just been working. Like I said, I'm hoping I get, depending on if I get the opportunity for both of these jobs, and I have a decision to make on which one I want to do. But really nothing's going on. I'm just about to be working a lot next week because of Valentine's Day. Other than that, I've just been literally going to work and coming home. Don't really have anything to say. But I thought I would get on here and just talk to y'all. But yeah. My hair's like really straight. Like, not like straight, of course, but like better than like a blowout without heat. So, and I did a middle part because I'm gonna wear my hair out. But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna just let y'all watch me do this, and then yeah.